The TopMate ES35 Foldable electric scooter stands out as a compact three-wheel design that is light enough for frequent travel, yet sturdy enough to carry most adult riders with confidence. Its updated folding mechanism lets you collapse or set up the scooter in seconds, making it practical to stash in a car trunk, closet, or even bring along on many flights. A 3-speed drive system paired with a capable motor gives you gentle, moderate, or brisk pace options, while the built-in reverse mode makes tight maneuvering surprisingly easy. The removable lithium battery offers a respectable riding range for daily errands or short commutes, and the keyed switch adds a welcome layer of security when you park. Wide footrests, large pneumatic tires, and an extended rear axle work together to provide a notably stable and cushioned ride, helped by a clear LED display that keeps your speed and battery status easy to read. For adults seeking a seated electric scooter that blends portability, comfort, and everyday practicality, the ES35 feels like a thoughtfully engineered mobility solution backed by a reassuring long-term warranty.